So in order to collect data, we are going to rely on Google Forms. All you need to do is press on Google Forms. So it will take you to this. So, um, sorry, it has taken me. So I type Google Forms. So I click on Google Forms and go to Google Forms. ठीक है जी. So this sort of window will open in front of you. So from this you click on blank. ठीक है? So you click on blank form and a new form will open up. So you click on, you add title. So whatever title you want to add, for example, education in Pakistan. So you do this and then you add description. This survey is about perceptions of education of people regarding education in Pakistan. Something like this, whatever. I mean, इस पे हम बाद में बात करेंगे that how to add it. What is a solid description. Right now, the focus is on teaching you the technicalities of Google Forms. Then you press this plus sign and you add a new question. So how do we add it? So for example, you say, are you satisfied with quality of education in Pakistan? So I've written this down. Then from this drop down menu you can select the type of the question type. So say for example it's a multiple choice, so I click on this multiple choice. I add an option, for example, yes. Second option is no. Third option is maybe. Yeah. So when this question goes to the participants, they will click either of the options and you will get the responses accordingly. If you want to make it a compulsory question, you click on this required. Now, if someone does not answer this question, they won't be able to move towards the next question. So this is the basic functionality of Google Forms. So similarly, you keep on adding questions. So then to the next one, then to the next one. And you can also change the question types. So in place of multiple choice questions, you can ask them to give short answers. So this is like short answers, whatever types. So you need to spend some time, play with it, and then you will be able to figure out various options given in this Google Forms. Now let me take you to one of the forms that I've already created for you guys, and it will give you an idea that how a finished form looks like. So this is the form called happiness. Sorry, ये तो अभी जो हमने बनाया. So this is the form happiness. So if I click on this, you can see that there are quite a few options given in it. I'll share the link of this form with you guys as well. So the title is happiness, and then this is the description. So as you guys will add your own description in this section, and then some basic information regarding the participants. So I'm collecting their emails. So you can see the asterisk. So if someone is given this form and they do not respond to the questions with asterisks, the form will not record the responses. Right. So then I'm asking them, what is your major? Then I'm asking them. So this sort of information is called demographic information. So you collect information about them, and then you move towards the themes of your topic on which you need to collect data. What describes happiness to you? How would you phrase happiness? So they are going to write down the answers here. Whereas in multiple type questions, multiple choice questions, they will pick any of these options. So you will give the link of your form to the participants, and then they can record their options. So there you can see there are different types of question structures being opted in this questionnaire. So similarly, you guys will add your questionnaire items according to your research questions. We'll talk more about the difference between questionnaire items and research questions, because usually people confuse them. And then if you click on this send option, send, so it asks you that how to send this form. So you can create a link. So if I now give this link, copy this link, so I can share it on Facebook or wherever I can share it with the people. And then if I click cancel, there are other options in the send as well. For example, you can send via email. You can, there are other options, send as HTML. So there are quite a few options that you can tweet it, but it must go to the relevant audience. So you have to pick your audience accordingly, very wisely. Give let the link not go to the people who are not relevant to your sample. So this was sort of basic instructions on how to prepare a questionnaire or a data collection tool if you want to do a survey and collect data electronically from the participants.